Hello. This is a awesome tool if you do much building of lugs, which I do. This is a hydraulic lug crimper, and you just turn this knob to on, and you pump it just like you would a bottle jack. But that's first, you pick out the correct set from all of these dies that are included, and I'm going to crimp a 6 gauge. So they just snap in. Oop, I ran it up too much. I'll just let it down. And put the 6 up there. And close the valve, and I'll run it up. Make sure we're all set up. And that's how it's going to crimp it. And here's a number 6. So let's back this down a little bit. See if I can get this in there. I need to back it down a little more. There we go. And we put it in. And the trick to this is to pull it up till you've got it snug, like so. Then put your bare wire in there and make sure that it's all wire. It should be stripped to 1/2 inch. And go in there, and then just grab a hold and scrunch it down till it stops. And I intentionally didn't do this with wire so that we can see how the crimp works. What it looks like in there. See how it's crimped it on all sides? I hope you can see that. Very symmetrical. When you use a anvil, which I've used forever. I mean, when I started off making these, I used a dull chisel, put them on the vise and just hammered down. But this constricts all the way around, and it's pushing in from every direction. And you would have a piece of shrink tube on your wire, and you'd back it down and run it as close to here as you can, and then shrink it, and that finishes it all off. But this is a really nice tool, and makes excellent crimps. I can't recommend this enough. If you make a lot of crimps, and like I say, I do. I'm rewiring my antique truck, and I'm doing a lot of enhancements to the simple existing electrical system, making it safer, putting in heavier wire. So this way you don't have to get pre-length cables and have them sagging around all over the place. This will go from 8 to 0-00 gauge, so it's got a big range. And put the tool back here, and it's effortless, and everything's in this nice case along with instructions. So I like it. I know you will too. If you have the need, pick one up. Cheers.